What's good, YouTube? It's boy Wife here, now back with another video. Yes, sir. And as you can see, we in the mall. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go around and ask a few trick questions, see if these people smart or not. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's a boy Wife Pree. We going up, road to 1K. Let's go find some people. I'm back with
B.
Ashley.
Man, fuck that nigga. It's a boy Wife Pree. I'm back with
Rouge. Michaela.
Shane.
Michaela and Shane. Oh, my boy, we got the same name, my boy. How y'all day going so far?
Good.
Good.
Good. All right. So look, I just want to ask a few trick questions. All right. And the first question of the day: what wheel on the car that doesn't touch the ground?
What? The steering wheel?
Damn.
What'd you say?
I wasn't even gonna say nothing.
Stupid.
He got that.
You got that? All right. He got that. He got that. He's smart. All right. So look, next question. You set me to vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What am I?
Perfect.
A vibrator?
No! What'd you say? Can you repeat
You
it?
set me to vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What am I?
An alarm?
An alarm?
I thought an alarm too, but
Nah.
like, we have an alarm.
Nah.
I know, like, it sounds like, I don't know.
I mean, I could probably give you the point for that, but that's not the answer I'm looking for. Yeah, like I have a point. All right. What you think?
What was it?
You want the answer? You give up?
Yes.
You give up too? Basically, it's your cell phone. You know what I'm saying? At night, you put it on vibrate.
Okay.
All right. So last question. So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
10.
All right, they smart.
I seen
They
that
smart.
one.
Yeah, smart. That's
I
smart.
got that.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't care.
What's heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
They're the same.
They the same.
All right, they smart. Y'all a couple? All right, well, they smart. I was going to say this is a smart couple, but they smart, though. They smart. All right, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. We out. Yeah, sir. It's your boy White Pree. Now I'm back with
B.
Okay. Ashley.
B and Ashley. What y'all is? Friends, brother, sister? Friends? All right, how y'all day going so far?
It's going good. You
Doing good? I'm doing good.
It's okay.
Okay. All right. So look, today I'm gonna ask a few trick questions, right? So the first question is, what wheel on the car doesn't touch the ground?
Huh?
What wheel on the car that doesn't touch the ground?
The steering wheel. Stop playing.
Steering wheel.
Say steering wheel.
All right. Y'all got that. Next question. You put me to vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What am I?
Phone.
What'd you say?
It's the phone, but you know what I'm thinking. It can also be something else. You know.
All right. So look, next question. If you was in a race, all right, and I'm in second place and you pass me, what place would you be in?
I'm going to be in second, right? Because I'm passing the person in second. Stop playing with me like I'm retarded.
What you say?
If you was in a race,
And I'm in second place and you pass me, what place you gonna be in?
first.
Gonna be in first?
Yeah.
All right. The second's your final answer?
Yeah.
The first your final answer?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Positive.
Yeah.
So look, you know you're wrong, right?
Oh.
Stupid. Yeah, so now you in second, you know what I'm saying? If a school, a hospital, and a church was on fire, which one is the ambulance gonna put out first?
The what?
The school, the hospital, and the church is on fire. Which one the ambulance gonna put out first?
Shit, none, because the ambulance don't put out fires. Stop playing, man.
In the school.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You was about to say school?
Like the school.
Save the kids.
Yeah, the kids.
What about the church? It's a place of worship.
Nah, they help the kids first, and then the almost dead people, and then the church people.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I was thinking so hard on that, honestly.
Yeah, well, you know, ambulances save lives. They don't put out fires.
Yeah.
You stupid.
But I appreciate y'all, though. You know what I mean? You got a good friend right here. You smart. It's your boy, White Pree, man. Fuck that nigga. It's your boy, White Pree. I'm back with
Rouge.
How you doing today?
I'm alright.
All right, that's good. So what you doing here? Shopping?
I'm about to go to work.
About to go to work. All right, so I'm not going to take up too much of your time. So first question of the day. What wheel on the car doesn't touch the ground?
What wheel on the car?
It doesn't touch the ground.
The steering wheel.
Okay. She's smart. Next question. You put me on vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What am I?
A vibrator?
No!
No. It's not a vibrator.
Your phone.
Your phone. There's a school, a hospital, and a church is on fire. Which one is the ambulance gonna put out first?
The school.
Seriously.
The school. You think the ambulance gonna put out the school first? Out of the church and the hospital?
The hospital. Yeah.
Why the hospital?
I don't know.
You know you're wrong, right?
Either the school, the church, or the hospital.
Which one is the ambulance gonna put out first?
The hospital.
The ambulance gonna put out fires.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
All right, last one. So if you was in a race, me and you in a race, I'm in second place and you passed me, what place you in?
First.
You stupid.
You're in first? You sure? If I'm in second place and we're in a race, right? And you pass me, what place you in?
If you're in second place and I pass you, you're in first place. I'm in first
You
place.
gonna be in first place?
Yeah.
No! God, please, no!
You sure?
No. Second.
You stupid.
Second place, not first. And then you gotta pass the person in first.
Yeah.
All right, it's getting hot out here. It was 12. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta go. It's your boy Pree. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.